Meaning of freshen.
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 Freshen. The word freshen means to make something fresh or new again, typically by adding or applying something. The result of freshening can vary depending on the context. For example, if we're talking about freshening up a room, it could mean opening windows for fresh air, cleaning the space, or decorating with new items. If we're discussing freshening up one's appearance, it could involve taking a shower, wearing clean clothes, or applying makeup. Ultimately, freshening is about revitalizing something in order to make it more appealing, attractive, and enjoyable.